You need to watch this if you struggle with believing in the impossible. Today, the civilian crew of SpaceX's Polaris Dawn mission splashed down after an epic 5 days in orbit. Jared Isaacman, 2 SpaceX engineers, and a former Air Force Thunderbird pilot soared higher than anyone since the Apollo moon missions. Their Dragon capsule touched down in the Gulf of Mexico, marking the end of the first-ever private spacewalk. Imagine this. They were a whopping 460 miles above Earth, higher than the ISS and Hubble. Isaacman, the tech billionaire, and Sarah Gillis, a SpaceX engineer, became the 264th and 265th people to perform a spacewalk. Until now, only professional astronauts had that honor. Professor Martin Barstow hailed this as a landmark in commercial space exploration. Space is no longer just for government agencies, folks. This mission is a giant leap towards future Mars missions. Jared Isaacman's journey proves that the stars are within reach for all of us. We are mission complete. Subscribe for more cosmic adventures.